Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing extremely very rarest unique collection of sea conchs in the world collected from Indian Ocean. All are very powerful unique sea conchs collected from the Indian Ocean. Very unique collections. Yeah, this all are just only one piece in the world. Extremely unique formation. It's our unbelievable collections. Unbelievable collections of sea conchs in the world. Very unique collections. Yeah, all are unbelievable collection. Unique collections makes pujas and prayers very powerful. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. All are just only one time collection in the life. All are one time collection in the life. Powerful, very unique sea conchs collection from Indian Ocean for puja purpose. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.